Hi guys, myself Hruday, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to make cable protectors. So without waiting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So guys, everyone uses cable, and this is the case happens in most of them, that is this kind of condition. When we bend the cable, it kind of tears up from this side. So in order to fix, today we'll be making a cable protector. The things you need for making a cable protector is a cartridge. Yes guys, this is an ink pen cartridge which is used in ink pens for, and this is the main thing we want in this DIY project. And the second thing is a pair of scissors and a sellotape. You can use a sellotape of any size and a sharpener. So let's just drain out the ink from this, and let me just continue the video. So first I'll be poking this ball so this just slips away from this position. So guys, now just let's cut the two parts, the ending and the front part of this cartridge. I'm using a knife, a pen knife basically. So guys, I have just finished cutting the two ends of the cartridge, and I did just wash, so it was looking dirty, but and it's made of ink, right? So I just washed it. So now the next step is to sharpen this cartridge structure. Be careful while sharpening it, guys. After sharpening this cartridge, so we will just wrap
So
it
guys,
around
now
the
I'll be
torn
wrapping
part
it
of
around the
cable.
broken
This
part
is
of the
torn
cable.
part.
So here it is, and let's just get started.
Let's just do this. Be careful while doing this, or else you'll be ending with broken cartridge part. So I'll do this from here. So guys, this is how you wrap the cable with this cartridge part. I'll tape this two parts. So guys, here is our cable protector ready. I have just taped the corners, and it's flexible also, and but I hope you can do it better. So this was my first video on this channel, DIY with Hruday. So please do support me, like this video, comment on this, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you guys. Until then, this is your buddy Hruday signing off. Bye.